All right, so we're going to jump right in, and today's going to be Module 15, and next week um, we will start with Module 16. So Module 15 is more object-oriented programming. There's not a whole lot of new material, but there is another assignment. And the main reason for that is because I want you to spend plenty of time working with object-oriented code, especially before we jump into our final four projects of the semester, simply because a lot of those projects and components that we're going to be working with will be using object-oriented programming. And so you should have a familiarity with it so that you can um, work effectively with those objects. Okay, so we're going to introduce a couple of new topics today, and then I'm going to go over the sandbox for Module 15. And then I'm also going to go over the assignment for Module 15. You should have plenty of time to work today.